What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cool 3D logo animation using After Effects. This is so simple to create, so let's jump into After Effects and get started. Okay guys, first add your logo, and we need to draw a mask around this. For that, I use Auto Trace option. So select the logo, then go to the Layer tab, then select Auto Trace. Then keep the default settings here, and hit OK. Okay, now it looks like this. So now we need to change our logo to a 3D logo. For that, I add a new solid layer, and I named it the 3D layer. Then go to the Effects tab, and search Element 3D, then double-click to apply that. After that, go to the Custom layer, select Custom Text and Mask, then set the path layer to our logo layer. After that, click the Scene Setup. Okay, now click this Extrude button to import our logo. Then you can adjust the logo thickness you like here. After that, go to the Preset section, select the Physical tab, then select the Chrome preset, and double-click to apply that. After that, then click this OK button. Then hide our original logo layer. Okay guys, now we need to create our animation, so go to the Group 1 section, and open these settings like this. Then change the particle size you like, so I change it to something 6. Then you can adjust the X rotation here, so I change it to something like -10. Now we need to create our rotation. So go to the Start, and create keyframes on Y rotation, and particle size. Then I change the Y rotation to 220, and particle size to 0. After that, go a few seconds forward, change particle size to 6, and rotation to 32. Then go to the end, change rotation to -150, and particle size to 0 again. Okay guys, now it looks like this. It's perfect. So then open the keyframes, and select these rotation keyframes. Then hit F9 to easy ease them. After that, open the speed graph, and make sure to select the value graph. Then adjust the graph to something like this. Okay, then select these keyframes, and hit F9 to easy ease. Then go again to the value graph, then adjust the graph like this. Okay guys, now it looks like this. It's great. So now we need to add some shading look to this. So go to the render settings, select ambient occlusion, then enable this setting. After that, change intensity to 10, and change the sample value to 64. So now you can see it gives a nice shading look to our logo. Okay, now we need to add texture to this. So I add my texture layer like this. Then I hide the texture layer. Then go to the physical environment settings, and change the layer to our texture layer. After that, you can adjust the settings you like. After that, we need to add some glow to this. So first I add an adjustment layer, and I renamed it Glow. Then go to the Effects tab, and I use the Deep Glow effect for this. Then I increase the radius to 1500, and change the exposure value to 0.5, and threshold value to 0, and don't forget to enable smooth blending. Also, I like to add light rays effect. For that, I add another adjustment layer. Then I search CC Light Rays effect on the Effect tab, and apply that. Then bring this center point to the middle like this. Then change the intensity to 25, and the radius to 50. Finally, I like to add the RSMB effect. So select all layers and pre-compose them. After that, add the RSMB effect. Then change the alt motion to our logo layer. Turn on GPU for get better quality. And change the blur amount to something 1.5. Okay guys, our 3D logo animation is done. Here's the result. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next, so let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.